Are you ready to experience luxury living in San Francisco? Welcome to Yerba Buena Island. This is an exclusive island where tranquility meets convenience and nature intertwines with city living. I'm Spencer Hsu, your real estate agent in the Bay Area. I've helped over 250 people just like you successfully with their moves. So this is a community of interest. Reach out to me and let's schedule a private tour together. I do need to go with you for the very first time to be able to help you, so don't go on your own. Let's go see the model homes. This first one is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 1116 square feet, listed at $1.315 million. Now, interior-wise, all of these have been pre-selected. So you're gonna see beautiful natural materials, soft textures, and finishes for comfortable and timeless modern living. Unit 206 is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 1406 square feet, listed at $2.35 million. What you're gonna love about all of these units is take a look at the details and the finishes that are here. All of them will have built-in washer and dryers. What you're going to also notice is these beautiful, take a look at this, floor to ceiling windows. There's a reason why there's just so much natural light that comes into all these units. All of it is nice and sleek, purposely neutral, and this allows the owner to truly bring in their own style. Those are the condos. Now we're gonna take a look at the townhomes. This one is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2235 square feet with a 160 square foot terrace, along with a 379 square foot roof deck. It is listed at a little under $3.4 million. You can see a welcoming bedroom and bathroom on the ground level. Take a look at this separate nook. It could be a bigger walk-in closet. You can have it as an office space. Your washer and dryers are downstairs. You can see they're all equipped with a 1-car garage. Having parking, especially on this island, is very, very valuable. As we come in to the second level, all this beautiful natural light, ceiling to floor windows. You got a most amazing powder room on the second level, and then we're gonna go up the next flight of stairs to the remaining bedrooms. I mean, take a look at that. Look at that walk-in closet. Which place in San Francisco is going to give you that kind of space? And we're about to get to my favorite part, which is the rooftop terrace. This is what makes everything truly unique, especially about the townhomes. I mean, look at this, views all around. By far, one of the best things that you will see on this island. All right, I want to talk a little bit also about what are the amenities that you get here. So the homeowners will enjoy 72 acres of open space and parks, miles of hiking and bike trails, and pretty much going to be kind of private. In the future, you're going to have a 10,000 square foot island club offering a host of fitness, wellness, and social amenities. Here you can see there is a door person. Here's some examples of some of the hallways that we walk through. You can just see how beautiful the carpet is, along with the design and the layout of the building. Here's a little bit of a glimpse as to how the garage parking works, including how visitor parking works. I did a little video recording here so you can just see the development and what they have for this island. Now this is different than Treasure Island, just be mindful of that, right? So this is much smaller, but you can just see how much greenery is here. And what's super nice is take a look at this beautiful gym that is within the Bristol building. Now the other thing that I didn't share is they are doing some initial phases of the flats. Those are usually 3-bedroom residences. They range from 3.5 million to 4.5 million. With options to suit every lifestyle and budget, the Bristol at Yerba Buena Island offers a remarkable place to call home. Contact me today to schedule your private tour and discover the unparalleled luxury of living on this island. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exclusive insights into the Bay Area's most prestigious properties. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you on your journey to find your dream home.